Hey everybody, welcome to the House of Chaos. So, this is Use It, Don't Lose It. We have a chicken thigh from our chicken. Taking the skin off. You can save that for your broth or your dog. The neighbors are trying to fix their fence, so my dogs are barking. I don't know why they're doing it in the dark, but you know. So my dogs are kind of excited. Save that for your broth. Dice up your chicken. Did I mention we're making quesadillas? We're making quesadillas. Dice up your chicken. No, girls. Get your chicken cut up. So there's the chicken. We have a jalapeno. Slice it up thin. You can de-seed it if you like and dice it up or however you like. Have some green onion. And then as you can see, I have the cheese. Whatever cheese you have available will work. You can store your green onions in water in a glass in the refrigerator and they'll last a lot longer. You can put the rooted end in a little bit of water and they'll grow more for you. So we have some green onion. So we'll move this. Okay, I washed my hands. Let me get some butter. Put a pat of butter in there. Tortillas are a very good thing to purchase because they last a long time on the shelf. Corn tortillas, flour tortillas, just keep them in an airtight bag and they will last for months. Especially corn tortillas. And you can make chips out of them, roll-ups, taquitos, tacos, tostadas, taco pizza, all sorts of things. Get a tortilla. Okay. I'm going to take some of our cheese. And this is a way of stretching your meat. Like you saw how much chicken I had. It doesn't take much chicken to do a fajita. And some of our green onion. some of our jalapeno. And then a little more cheese. That'll make the tortillas stick on top. Put our tortilla on there. And just do it like you would a grilled cheese. So there we go. I turn this burner up. Not enough.
I've got glass in here.
Okay. So we're just going to let that brown. Okay, so we have flipped it over, got a nice brown on there. And as soon as the other side is brown, which was pretty quick, flip it over. Put it on our plate. Add some more butter. Now my pan's going to be too hot. And do it again. Cheese. Chicken. See, so far I've gotten 2 quesadillas with the chicken, 1 green onion, and there's still enough for more. One jalapeno. Like I said, you could dice it up and it would go even further. And it hasn't been that much cheese either. You don't need that much cheese on the tortilla. Throw that tortilla on there. Flip it over. Put our pepper back inside. And look, fast, it's easy, it's filling, it's cheap. A little goes a long way. It off, and there you have it. Add some salsa. I'm trying to get out of my light. I don't know where to stand. Add some salsa, and you are good to go. I don't know where that shadow is coming from. I'm trying to turn you and I can't. Oh well, I tried. So, there's your quesadillas. If you have any questions, post them down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and I will see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.